So things have moved along. The other side, they've got that going. So I stepped over here to take a look at what a bunch of the other crews have been working on. They're working in getting this area all fabric down and stepping stone pathways and gravel. So the otters will dig and try and get into anything they can. So if you see, we've got, the area now where I'm in, water will be in there. You'll have the two pooling areas for them playing. And then this whole enclosure will eventually be here. And this will be a wall back to there, which then from this point forward will be inside their enclosure. And so all of these areas have stepping stones put in, and it's getting graveled in. Back through there, they got the same fabric going down and gravels. Because then up above, through that whole upper area, we're going to be putting in artificial turf so that there's some greenery for them, something different to play. Problem we can't have is what's there, exposed dirt. Exposed dirt is not what they want to have, because they'll come in here, they'll play in this water area, they'll go out and they'll roll around in that dirt to have some fun, and then come back in and introduce all that dirt into this ecosystem. So putting the fabric down, kind of like Poseidon over is working on, they're stapling that down, and then they're going to lay stones on top of it, and they're going to fill in between with gravel. And then over there, we're going to transition, and that area will turn into grass for some greenery. And up through here, working on sending some of the boulders, bringing the height up. The side over there we just finished. We got that done. We put the seamed in liner and got everything sort of height.